Tranquil Retreat on 5 acres. Welcome to your peaceful retreat nestled on 5 acres of natural beauty. This hidden gem offers a serene escape with an open floor plan that seamlessly blends the kitchen, dining room, and living room, creating an inviting space for gatherings and relaxation.A. Peaceful stream meanders through the property, adding to the enchanting views. Oversized windows in the family room illuminate the open kitchen, dining area, and living space, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen features a large island with an eat-at area, white cabinets, and stainless appliances. Additional conveniences include a built-in pantry and plenty of storage. The updated main floor bathroom showcases beautiful stone accents and tasteful colors.